Hi, Brian Brosdahl here, out on Winnie, fishing windswept point, and all you got to do is side image and see the walleyes, and then come back and get them. There's plenty of these things in here, nice big ones. Can't keep this one. You can keep one over 23, but I usually keep the smaller ones. Look how he's got it. Fireball jig, stand-up fireball. And we fished a couple different spots today. I should have a pliers, don't try this at home. There we go. I got a pliers here. Get that out of there. Nice fish. I'm gonna let that one go. Nice color. Water temperatures in the low 50s. It's jig and minnow bite, the best bite. And Red Lake's hot. Leech Lake is still cooking. Small bays of Cass Lake. Bemidji's just starting. We're in a good time period. Fireball jigs, RZ jigs, and a shiner if you can get them, or fatheads. We'll see you on the water. 8 to 12 feet.
Hey, if you like these videos, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel.
There we go. Now that's what I'm talking about, baby. Big old walleyes.
Look at that right there.